5 random facts about space. Space is full of awe and wonder, but it also has its share of frightening aspects. Here are 5 scary facts about space. 1. Space is incredibly cold. The temperature in deep space can drop to as low as negative 454 degrees Fahrenheit, just a few degrees above absolute zero. Without the protection of a spacesuit or spacecraft, humans would instantly freeze and be unable to survive the extreme cold. 2. The vacuum of space can kill you quickly. Space is a vacuum, meaning it has no air. If an astronaut were to be exposed to the vacuum of space without protective gear, the lack of pressure would cause bodily fluids, like saliva and the liquid in your eyes, to boil. You'd lose consciousness within 15 seconds, and death would occur within a minute or two due to suffocation or lack of oxygen. 3. Cosmic radiation space is filled with harmful radiation from the sun and other celestial bodies. Unlike Earth, which is protected by its magnetic field and atmosphere, space travelers are constantly exposed to high levels of ionizing radiation. This radiation can increase the risk of cancer, cause acute radiation sickness, and have other long-term health effects. Mars, for example, lacks a protective magnetic field, making it especially dangerous for potential human colonization. 4. Black holes can tear you apart. Black holes have an incredibly strong gravitational pull, which can warp spacetime itself. If you were to fall into one, the gravitational forces near the event horizon, the point of no return, would stretch you out like spaghetti in a process known as spaghettification. The closer you get, the stronger the pull, and eventually you'd be ripped apart atom by atom. 5. There's a great filter in the universe. One of the most unsettling ideas in the search for extraterrestrial life is the Great Filter Theory. This suggests that while there may be many potentially habitable planets, there is something, likely a catastrophic event or evolutionary hurdle, that prevents intelligent life from emerging or surviving long enough to communicate across the stars. The fact that we haven't found definitive proof of alien life could mean we've either passed through the filter or that it lies ahead of us, and humanity may not survive long enough to make contact. Space is both a fascinating and terrifying frontier. The unknowns out there are as vast as the universe itself. Would you like to explore any of these more deeply?